Hey everybody, what's up? Well, today, Thursday, it's the 11th of August, and today we've had a green day. So after two red days in consecutive red days this week, I didn't want to get a red streak of a streak of losing days. So I'm happy to report that we've had a green day. And how did we do that? Well, we were trading on the first session. We traded pre-market a little bit. We kind of break even coming into the bell. And then we had some good trades after the bell. Within that first kind of half an hour or 30 minutes of the market open, we made $5,000. So $5,000 up, we locked the montage and took the dog for a walk. It was like get green, get to goal, and stay green. Have a green, profitable green day. So I came back after walking the dog, and I just sat down, chatting in the day trade with Tony Discord, and noticed that NVTA is the ticker, but NVTA, I think it's how you pronounce it, NVTA Corporation, moved almost 300% yesterday. Sold off heavily today at the open, and it looked like it was turning around. So I was able to get on that. There's a double bottom formation. I was able to get on that. I managed to make $3,000 out of that. So we're finishing the day a little over 8,000 green. So after a couple of shockingly bad trading days, I've been very disciplined today. I've not been jumping in. I've been executing the strategy, looking for the breakouts, looking for the patterns. And just been very cautious with my entries, really, and risk management has been, sticking a stop in there straight away, and risk management has been on point as well. So not giving back gains was important for me today, and certainly not having a third consecutive red day. So I'm a little bit happy about my trading. I'm still feeling a bit fatigued overall. And I'll just show you some of the moves that went on with today. I'll show you the VERU. We traded the ENVX, VERU, AERC, AMC, and of course NVTA. So I'll show you that. But before I do, make sure you press the thumbs up button. It really helps with the algorithm. And if you want to join me as I go live every morning, 90 minutes before the market opens, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. You get a reminder whenever I go live or whenever I drop a video such as this one. So don't forget to do that. Enjoy the trade recap. We started off with, it was actually with VERU, and we traded this pre-market. It started to move up. We got on some of this move, and as it pulled back here, we caught this move here as well. We gave it a little bit, traded well on the way up, and then we went to the bigger size for a breakout, and it didn't quite go our way. So we kind of break even. I think we were a little bit down, about $200 down on VERU at the open. But where we actually made our money on VERU was here on this move up. So we got in here, and as it broke the $0.50, and we rolled this up. We took some profits along the way and got out. So wham bam, thank you, ma'am, if you will. Then we saw that AERC was moving up, so we went to AERC, and AERC pre-market moved up. Didn't we got this pop here, and as it moved up, it started to pull back, looked a bit weak, so we got out. It was very quick, very simple, very easy, if you will. We traded ENVX, and again, this was at the open. This was the first one at the open that we traded. This popped up. As it moved up, we entered for the break of 2050, the $0.50, and we rode that up, took some profit off the top, and we got out before it actually pulled back. So quite good. You could have I suppose we could have been watching it. We could have got the bounce back up, but it did sell off quite hard. So we traded. What did we trade after? Again, that was a very clean entry. It was a case of buy it and then sell it a little bit later. We traded VERU again. I've just shown you the second time we traded VERU. Then AMC. So AMC. It was starting to move up. We waited for a pullback. We got the pullback, and then we moved. This is what we entered here, and as it moved up and started to pull back again, we took some profits. So very quick. We weren't hanging around. We weren't holding on to stocks too long, waiting for them to do the expected move. We were just getting in, not quite scalping as such, but as soon as we got to a profitable situation, we were either taking profit and then getting stopped out, or we would just exit the position for a profit. So at that stage, we were over 5,000 up on the day, and that was the trade that took us 5,000 up on the day. So when I came back after dinner, or lunch rather, when I came back after lunch, I had walked the dog, and we went into NVTA Corporation. I think that's how you pronounce it, NVTA. The ticker is NVTA. So NVTA, yeah, it probably is NVTA is how you pronounce it, given that the ticker is NVTA. So we got in this one. You can see, I'll move this forward. You can see a beautiful double bottom on the 2-minute. And these typically break upwards. So we got in this, and we were able to ride this up and take some profits. We were waiting for this to because we got another double bottom as it pulled back, and we were waiting for the break of $5 for a move back up and continued. That never happened, so we never actually got in and traded that again. We managed to get 3,000 on this move up off the double bottom there. So that was me locking the montage, me saying, okay, I've got profitable, I'm over goal. I've not just got to goal, I'm over goal. That's me done for the day. Not giving any more money back to the markets, not giving anything else back to the markets. So what I'll do is I'll go away, I'll have a nice evening, a couple of drinks with some friends, play a bit of poker, and have a relaxing evening. This is what I need. Rather than spending too much time dwelling on the markets, I'm just going to go away now, relax and enjoy my evening, and I'll be back at it tomorrow for the market open. So it's Friday tomorrow. It's the 12th of August tomorrow, and we'll be starting our small account challenge. So we're starting our small account challenge with 2,510 to be precise. But $2,500 is our starting position on the small account challenge, and we'll be doing that tomorrow. Now, the thing is with the small account challenge is you've got to be a lot more disciplined with regards to your trade selection, because very often you're going in, it's an all or nothing scenario to start off with. Now, I wouldn't recommend someone with a small account doing that all or nothing scenario. You don't have to be aggressive to grow a small account. Steady gains are more important. But what you want to be doing is you want to be getting to your goal. Ideally, the goals are relatively small. But I'll be going for a 10% goal daily to start off with. 2,500, I'm looking for $250. But 10% goal is actually quite ambitious. So I would recommend 5% as a goal, because I've got leverage as well. I normally say 1% of your buying power. Now, 1% of my buying power will be 6% of my equity. So I'm going to go with 5% of my equity as the normal rule that I say to people. Go for 5% of your equity, or 1% of your buying power, whichever you feel more comfortable, whichever is the larger. Now, I'm going to be targeting myself on 10% for the first couple of few days. If I don't get that, whatever I get on that first trade, and it's important for me to say, on a small account, you don't want to be over trading. You want to pick the right setup, take the right trade, get in, get to goal, get out, walk away. what you get with the particular with trading on a margin account with the leverage, you get the compounding effect of that. If I manage to get to goal tomorrow on the small account, I'm starting with 2,500, and tomorrow I'll be starting with, on Monday next week, I'll be starting with 2,750. And you get the compounding effect of that in terms of the leverage. So you're able to buy more and get a bigger gains. So that's what I would say with small accounts. It's been a lot more selective of the trades that you pick, and don't overtrade. 1, 2, maximum 3 trades per day is more than enough on a small account. So I'll be doing that 90 minutes before the market opens. I will be trading my regular account. After the bell, I'll be looking for an opportunity with my small account. Once I've got gains on that, then I'll be going back to my larger account. So once I've hit goal on the smaller account, I will be going back to my larger account. And I still have to get to my monthly goal on my larger account, but just to show that what it's like to grow a small account, what it's like to trade in a small account, I'll be kind of flicking between the two of them. So come join me. It isn't going to be subject to the pattern day trading rule. Just so it's before people ask, I know the comment section is going to be flooded with, well, how can you trade in a margin account with $2,500? Well, I'm working with an offshore broker, so they're not subject to the pattern day trading rule. Secondly, I'm based in Ireland, so I'm not subject to the pattern day trading rule. So if you're unfamiliar with the pattern day trading rule, in the US, any US regulated broker will enforce the pattern day trading rule, because, and what essentially that means is that you can't trade on a margin account if you've got less than 25,000. You can't day trade with less than $25,000 in your account. So you need a starting equity position each day of $25,000. Now, there are ways around that. There's always ways around that. But and if you want to know those, comment in the section, ask the questions in the section, and I'll be happy to elaborate on that in the comment section. Okay, so come join me tomorrow. I'll be trading as usual pre-market. After the bell, we'll be trading with the small account. We'll be looking for small account gains. So that starts tomorrow, the 12th of August. We've got another 13 trading days to go, and you know, let's see how we can grow that small account. Look forward to seeing you there. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your evening and take care.